Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today counting numbers. Kids colors name. Blue color, yellow color, red color, black color, yellow ochre color, green color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first you draw 1, O-N-E-1, and use blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw 2, T-W-O-2. Kids now draw 3, T-H-R-W-3. Kids now draw 4, the numbers of 4, and use yellow color, F-O-U-R 4. Kids now draw 5, F-I-V-E 5. Kids now draw 6, the numbers of 6, and use red color, S-I-X 6. 7, S-E-V-E-N 7. Kids again use red color and draw 8, E-I-G-H-T 8. Kids now draw 9, the numbers of 9, and use black color, N-I-N-E 9. 10, T-E-N 10. Kids now draw 11, the numbers of 11, and use yellow ochre color, Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 12, the numbers of 12. Kids now draw 13, the numbers of 13. Kids now draw 14, the numbers of 14, and use green color, 15, the numbers of 15, and again use green color. Kids now draw 16, the numbers of 16, and use blue color, 17, the numbers of 17. Kids now draw 18, the numbers of 18. Kids now draw 19, the numbers of 19, and use yellow color, Kids again use yellow color and draw 20, the numbers of 20. Kids today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.